So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, the main focus of the video is me. I'm gonna give you guys some pescatarian meal ideas. I'm gonna meal prep for like 4 days, I think 4 or 5 days, I'll see. I used to be pescatarian for like, I think it was like 2 months, two and a half, I believe, and I've been trying to slowly go back into it. I stopped being pescatarian because of life happened. There was just some stuff that happened that I don't want to get into, but I was a pescatarian and I want to get back into it because I see a difference when I did cut out meat, especially red meat. So I want to get back into it, and I already know the meals that I usually eat, like go-to meals. So I want to share that with you guys. So if you want to try being pescatarian, you have some ideas. But I just need to get a few pickups. I need to get a little frother from Walmart. I also need the TheraBreath mouthwash for my water flosser, and I also want to see if I can get my hyaluronic acid, the Good Molecules hyaluronic acid, because if you know me and if you've been following me for a while, that is my go-to hyaluronic acid. It's a good base to start with, so I really like that, and I'm gonna get that in Ulta. And I think Naturium is now in Ulta, so I'm gonna see if they have the lip balm. I don't have it in here, but it's really good, the lip balm, and they have different colors. I want to try another one maybe. But after that, I think I'm gonna go to Aldi. I haven't been to Aldi in a while, but they have good stuff and they have good prices. I usually shop at like Publix or Food Lion or Herb Fair for like organic stuff, but I already got my organic stuff from Herb Fair already, so I don't think I need to go back there. Food Lion has seeded grapes, and I always eat seeded grapes. I stopped eating seedless grapes, so if I have to go there just for that one thing, I will. But the main source today would be, hopefully they have everything that I usually get, everything that I need. And I think that's it. That's all the things that I have planned for this vlog. But let's go. Very good things about this, the daily brightening serum. But I think it's the same as the hyaluronic acid, so I don't think I need that. I've heard about this too, but already I'm trying the Bioma body serum, so I'll wait until I finish with that. I know that they have the little size in the toner, because right here they have the bigger size. But yeah, I don't think they have the small hyaluronic acid. Yeah, it's out, so I may have to just get the big one. I need to get the small niacinamide serum as well, because that's finished. This one is very intriguing because it's whitening, but all of them have different things. This was the first one I used and this was good, so, but I don't think I wanna, I don't know. Oh, I didn't know that they have a toothpaste as well. But honestly, I don't know which one to get. Feeding gums, prevents cavities and rebuild enamel. Chamomile mint. This is intriguing. I just need to find the frother. I'm in the home utensils or whatever section, but don't know if they have it here. Trying to find it. Did check the Walmart app and it said it's in this aisle, so it makes sense. I don't see it though, or maybe I'm overlooking it. Might I add that I haven't eaten breakfast and now it's 2:19 and my stomach is feeling a bit gassy. If you're from the Caribbean, you know I don't mean like flatulence, I mean like that like uncomfortable feeling. But yeah, just got done in Walmart and it took me forever to find the frother. It's this one, the mainstay one. So it's been a few hours later, rested a bit, I put away some laundry and now it's 6:46 and I am gonna meal prep for the week. Honestly, I'm just gonna do probably 3 dishes. I'm gonna be doing some teriyaki salmon bites with some rice, and the other meal is gonna be baked beans with mushroom. So mushroom is gonna be the meat because I like baked beans with some sort of meat. If I had some codfish, saltfish, I would put that with it, but I don't. So I'm gonna be using mushrooms, and I got crimini mushrooms. I've never had that before. I've always used the baby bella mushrooms, so this is gonna be probably my first time trying that. The third one is gonna be like a tuna wrap, but I'm not gonna assemble it now. I'm just gonna prep them and put them in containers, so when I'm ready to eat them, when I'm ready to eat it, then I just put everything together so I can just avoid everything getting soggy and mushy. The reason why I chose the baked bean is because I wanted to do shrimp, but I don't know if I wanna do the shrimp now. I don't know, I'm having the craving for baked beans, but I don't know. I've been feeling for some curried shrimp. I don't know. I'm gonna do curried shrimp. I think that would be a little bit easier. And I have this frozen kale and quinoa thing that I got the last time I did some grocery shopping, and I think I mentioned this in my last vlog. I want to use this, so I'm wondering if it would be, I think it would go better. I think it would go good with the shrimp, the tuna thing. And this is gonna be meal prep for 5 days. So the salmon is gonna be 2 plates. The shrimp, I'm gonna be doing 2 plates of that, and the wrap is gonna be for 1 day. The grain, the side that I'm putting with that is gonna be roasted, like Cajun roasted corn. I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I can just taste it already. I'm gonna be having corn for all those 4 days because you can't go wrong with corn. So whole bag, so I need to use it up. So tuna, this is what I'll be using, so I don't necessarily need to take it out until I'm ready to use it. So all I need to do is put together the toppings, and I need to put these together in a container and I'll be good to go. yeah, so the kitchen is clean, everything is done. So what I'm gonna have to eat right now, because I didn't really make anything to eat now, I'm just gonna have like 2 slices of bread with some cream cheese and some wine and call it a night. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, comment down below anything else you'd like to see from me, vlog wise, tutorial wise, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.